Hi, I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, where we make the homeowner the hero by helping them have a clean home. Today we are going to clean a microwave. I have my multi-purpose spray, a couple of cloths, and a sponge. So first I do the outside of the microwave. I also get the very top. A lot of grease likes to collect up there, as you can see. Then I peel the top to make sure the grease is actually gone. So the goal of the outside is to make sure it's streak-free, there's no more food, and that your handle is clean both on the back side and on the front. And now we open it. It's dirty. Start with the top and work your way down the sides. When you feel like you're finished, take a really good look. There's little splatters that will stick to the sides, and in the white microwaves you can see that a lot better. But in a dark one, you have to take a really good look because they'll hide more. You do want to make sure your turner is clean. There. This one, I believe I can just wipe off. If there was stuff really stuck on it, then I would take it to the sink and wash it with my sponge. But this is beautiful. I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, where we make the homeowner the hero. And that is how you clean a microwave. Thank you for watching.